These last few years in education have been challenging, to say the least. Finding the perfect gift for the teachers in your life probably means a lot to you right now, which is understandable. Take it from me, a veteran teacher, getting that end of the year gift definitely puts a smile on your heart. So if you're looking for teacher gift ideas, I have you covered. Because this video shows 7 types of end of the year teacher gift ideas. There's something for everyone here. Stay tuned. The first category is stylish and functional bags for teachers. Teachers are always carrying around so many things. Our books, lesson plans, papers, pens, student work, even extra snacks for our students. So these teacher bags that I'm recommending actually can be used in so many different ways. Even though you can get your teacher bags from anywhere, ErinCondren.com offers tons of options, including the straps, which can be adjustable and customizable. Here's an example of a crossbody bag that I have from Erin Condren. I'm putting my teacher lesson planner book in it. It is such a cute bag that I use for so many different things. And outside of the classroom, I carry it as a purse sometimes. This would make a great gift idea for the teachers in your life. If you are going to pick up a bag as an end of the year teacher gift, here are a couple of things to keep in mind. We love lots of big pockets. We love little compartments that allow us to put our pen and keys and teacher lanyard. And it is a bonus if we can change the strap on the bag, even though that's not mandatory. It's just a nice little extra perk. So those are some of the things that you can keep in mind. And you can get your favorite teacher a rolling bag or something with a cute quote on the front of it. Just choose bags that teachers can use in and out of the classroom. The second category of gift ideas are tech accessories. From 2020 until now, there's been an explosion of digital learning, online learning, and using technology in and out of the classroom. Even though teachers have always used technology, now more than ever, no matter what grade level a teacher teaches, they need technology accessories. Classroom doorbells, attention ringers for online games, laptop risers, even sometimes speakers in the classroom can be so helpful. My AirPods holder is one of my favorite tech accessories. No matter what type of tech gift you get for the favorite teacher in your life, they are going to appreciate it greatly. If you are looking for more specific tech gifts, I have an entire blog post with lots of ideas at thebutterflyteacher.com. The ideas listed in this post cover a range of price points and will just give you lots of different ideas for the types of technology gadgets and accessories teachers need. That link is in the description box below. The third category of gift ideas are related to wellness and self-care items. This past school year, teachers were told over and over again, self-care is important, take time for self-care. But they weren't given that time, and they weren't given the resources for self-care, which has left so many teachers very, very frustrated. So if you are able, why not consider ideas like a gym membership for the favorite teachers in your life? Or maybe you could give them a nice visit to a spa. If possible, you can even team up with others to give them a gift card for a pedicure or manicure at a salon. Speaking of gift certificates to salon, the fourth category is gift cards, which is kind of related to gift certificates. Giving the teacher gift cards to their favorite brands is a wonderful way to treat them as an end-of-the-year gift. You can even team up with other families to make a gift card bouquet or a gift card tree, where each person buys a small gift card amount and then you all put it together to present it as a class gift. I think that some of the bundled gift card sets with the teacher-specific card holders from Amazon are excellent. So you can head there to get ideas for the type of gift card bundles you can offer to the favorite teachers in your life as an end-of-the-year gift. This is also a really good way for the administration to honor the teachers who have worked extremely hard this school year. Speaking of honoring them, fifth category, jewelry. I know this seems like something that breaks the bank, but there are so many teacher-specific jewelry items out there that are beautiful, stylish, and would be much appreciated from teachers, including charms, bracelets, necklaces. Next category, gift ideas, cups, mugs, and tumblers. Now, before you run off, we are not talking about your basic, average, run-of-the-mill cup. You can really go all out with some beautiful personalized mugs, even some cups that have specific quotes for teachers that would make really cute end-of-the-year gift ideas. This water bottle allows you to add fruit, so that could be a part of the wellness and self-care piece. There are so many different options for beautiful, stylish cups that teachers would use on field trips or every day in the classroom, even the kind that have cute jokes with them. Personalized cups and holders definitely would make great gifts as well. Last but not least, DIY gifts and cards from students. I can tell you from all the years that I have been a teacher, every card and gift that I have gotten from a student that was handmade, I still have them. These are some of my favorite gifts to receive as a teacher. Spending time with your child or with the people in your life to create a beautiful handmade personalized gift for the teachers is always so much appreciated. This is a sign that was painted for me years ago that I still have hanging up. I also love functional gifts with items that I know I'm going to use, but they've been made into handmade beautiful gifts. So yes, we teachers love DIY cards and gifts from students. So out of the 7 categories of end of the year teacher gift ideas, let me know in the comments which one surprised you the most. And if you are a teacher or a former teacher and you like any of the 7 categories, share this video out with others to spread the word on gift ideas. And if you enjoy watching this video, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe so that I can catch you in the next one. Thanks for spending time with me today, teacher friend.